Savor with me, Filipino Fish Sisig. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about quick and easy Filipino-inspired recipes. So for today, we're making a nice Filipino flavorful fish recipe. It's usually made out of pork and it's served on a sizzling plate, but today we're changing it up. We're using boneless milkfish, and if you guess Bangus Sisig, you're absolutely right. All right, so let's start frying the fish, okay? It's already marinated, so it's even gonna be even more flavorful. So let's turn on our heat, medium-high. And then I'll put some olive oil. We're gonna open up our bangus, or it's called milkfish. You can also use milkfish that's not marinated already, but make sure it's boneless because milkfish is very bony, so you don't wanna be spending so much time. This is definitely a recipe hack, is make sure to buy boneless fish. I'm just checking if there's actually any plastic in between, because sometimes they put plastic in it and you don't wanna be frying plastic. Okay, so we're good. So this is what it looks like, pretty much. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we're just gonna fry these. They come in 3, okay? All right, oil's hot. We're gonna cook our fish now, skin side down first, because you want the skin to be crispy. Okay. Alright guys, so while our little fishies are cooking, let's make our sisig sauce. So let's do our veggies first. I'm just gonna peel our red tomato. We're not gonna use all of it, it's huge. So we're gonna do 1/3 of this red onion. And if you're just joining my channel today, we're gonna use our mini processor. This is a Ninja processor, by the way, so it makes things so much quick and easier. So I'm just gonna put in my red onion. I cut them in like 4 chunks, like this, okay? Goes in. I'm not gonna use any ginger or garlic in the sisig sauce just because the milkfish is already marinated. So it already has its seasoning, it has garlic and salt and pepper and all that, and some vinegar. So it's gonna be already tasty. And that's done. See how quick and fast that was? There you go. Don't need to be spending so much time on it. Okay, I think our fish is good to flip. Okay, careful guys. The fish does... Oh shoot, the tail came off. Now we're just gonna flip it. It's coming off, it's okay. There we go. And the broken tail. All right, there we go. That's okay, we can fix it later, okay? And then this one as well. There we go. And we flip it. Okay, this one's good. Just half the tail. So this cooks really fast, so it's gonna be done in like 5 minutes. Wow, I wish you guys can smell that. It's already marinated in vinegar, a salt and pepper, and some garlic. So you can definitely smell that with the fish in there. It smells so good. I'm getting so hungry already, guys. Okay, I think our fish are cooked, so let's just grab these ones for now. Okay, we don't wanna overcook them. There we go, yeah, it's pretty cooked. And then this one as well. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. There we go. So there's our fish. They're all done. They look good. Now let's just cool them off. Okay, while our fried fish are cooling off, let's assemble our sisig sauce, okay? So grabbing 3 stalks of green onion, okay? Gonna wash these. Okay, just cutting the ends of it. Just gonna chop them. Oh, can you guys see? Okay, I'm just chopping the green onion. Oh man, I wish you guys can smell the fish. It's gonna be very tasty and it's gonna be savory. Okay, and then we put in some of these. So our chili peppers, I'm just gonna wash them up. We have a green chili and a red Thai chili pepper. Just gonna cut them up. We're almost done, guys. So it's super quick and easy. Okay, so now let's start shredding our fish. Okay, we'll grab fork and a knife, big one. What I'm gonna do first actually is I'm gonna get some butter, just a tiny bit of butter, and just gonna spread some of it there so that our sauce is buttery while it's still cooling off. Okay, there we go. Okay, now what we'll do is just gonna take off the meat. Make sure not to destroy like the skin because we're gonna put it back on there. So I'm just grabbing the meat and just gonna put it on the bowl. Just be careful. We try to preserve the skin, okay? It has a bit of bones. Whatever the bones that are left on there, it's gonna be easy to eat, so don't worry about those. But make sure you look for boneless milkfish, okay? Okay, that's one. 2. Okay, so there we go. Can still assemble it like that. Just gonna wipe it off because it has a bit of oil on it there. So I don't want it to be too oily. There we go. So now what we'll do is we'll put that aside. Okay, so we have our fish here. Okay, just kind of shred it a bit. So you wouldn't want it to be too big. Okay, now we're gonna put in our red onion. Okay. And then we're gonna put in our green chili and red chili. Green onion, gonna do a bit of soy sauce, a bit of sugar, black pepper, and garlic powder, mayo, and some lemon juice. All right, and we also have a bit of this pork rinds, some chicharron. You just grab some of this, break it apart, crush it with your hand. Make sure your hands are clean. And it's gonna give it a nice texture to the whole recipe, and it's gonna give it a nice crunch. There you go. And then you just mix. And we're done, guys. There we go. There's our Bangus sisig. See how quick and easy that was? All right, so now we'll do this. We're just gonna put it on like this. Serve it like that. Just a bit more green onion on top, just for garnish. And we'll put some lemon there. There's our tail. Okay guys, there it is. There's our Bangus Milkfish Sisig. Quick and easy. Savor with me, Filipino Fish Sisig. All right guys, let's try it out. Cheers. Wow, that is so good, guys. So tasty. Guys, you guys need to try it. Everything works so well together. The fish is so marinated well, and combine that with the creamy mayo, the green onion, the lemon, the pepper, garlic powder, everything combined together with the red onion kick. It's all working together. You guys need to try it. It's great with white rice, but we're eating it like all solo today. So, cheers. So nice and creamy, spicy, has that kick to it. Oh, all right guys, thanks so much for joining me today, and enjoy your long weekend from here in Toronto. And just remember, keep savoring you. See you guys.